Hey guys, in the following tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to create galleries in Lovely 2. The process itself is quite simple. There are two gallery views, although you can make your own custom galleries, which I will show you at the end of this tutorial, and you're able to build your own style for that. Now, to add a gallery to Lovely 2, you'll want to first go into your WordPress backend, and then you will want to go to Galleries and Add New. And here you will want to do a few things. So the first will be to add some details for the gallery name. So gallery name. Then you have a few options on the right hand bar here where you can add a category. So if you're looking to do different categories and display those in different places, you can add any categories. If you don't have a category, you can create a new category and just add that. You can also set a tag, and that will also be useful if you want to do some filtering. Then you will want to add a featured image. So always make sure to add a featured image. You can do this at the end or at the start. It's really up to you what you decide for that. I'm going to set one here at the start. And then you will want to go down to the images section. Now in the images section, you will want to then select either images or images and videos. If you are going to add just images, then go ahead and click Add to Gallery and select the number of images for your gallery to upload. If you haven't got them uploaded, you can drag and drop those in off your desktop and upload them directly to the gallery. For image sizing, we recommend 1500 pixels in height. The width itself can be automatic. So just go ahead and select those. Again, you can drag and drop those into order as required and delete any that you don't need. Now, if you wanted to have a combination of images and videos, you can do so by going to Images and Videos. And again, you can just add the images as required. So if you just want to add the first one and then select multiple, it will actually add multiple images. Now, the difference with this gallery is you can put an embed code into here, so whenever you create the gallery, it will play the video on top of that. So let me quickly get you a YouTube video and you will be able to see how that works. And you will just go to share and then you'll want to select the embed code for that. So just place the embed code into the video embed code section. You can do this with YouTube and with Vimeo. So both options will work. Just make sure that it is the embed code that you're adding to this location. Again, you can drag and drop them into order as required, and you can also then delete any as well by just hitting this little X. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Publish. If you have a listing block on a page with the category portfolio or galleries, it will then link into that page. Now, one final thing to note is you can use a custom layout for your gallery. So right now, it will take the global layout style and option that you have for all of your galleries. But maybe you would like to have a single gallery that has a different layout, maybe a masonry grid or vice versa with just the regular slider. You can actually do that by using a custom gallery layout option. And then you can go to custom layout, and then you're able to build out all the different options for this specific page. So you could add a different gallery slider type, so gallery view. So for example, if I went down to add block, I could go down and find gallery view 2, for example, and I would then go ahead and just remove gallery view 1 and just put that at the top. You can also add any block that you would like for this as well. So you could add feature blocks, different header types, etc., to really create the style that you want. And if you want to add additional content or details with links, for example, here maybe I would like to have an image, some text about it, and then a link to maybe a blog post. You can do that as well. And to add the content, you would just go in, hit the pencil like you would with the normal page, and just add the content for that block. So that's it, guys. Adding a gallery is relatively simple. Again, just make sure to hit publish, and then that will display in the listing page that displays your galleries.